Welcome to Felt the Food. I'm Phoebe, the maker of the original DIY kit that allows you to begin making felt food today. Join me in the craft kitchen for today's make. Today in the craft kitchen, we are making a delicious pancake breakfast, starting with our fluffy pancakes. In your kit, you will find 6 large ivory pancake bases and 6 smaller tan tops. You'll also find your coordinating thread, needle, and pens to help you secure the tops to the base. Using your tan thread, remove and cut roughly half of the thread provided. Carefully divide the thread so that you only have 3 strands. Here's a pro tip: go slowly and carefully untwist as you divide. If you move too fast, thread your needle by gently inserting the thread through the eye of the needle and pulling your thread through about halfway. In one hand you will have your needle, and in the other you will have the longest end of your thread. Using your needle, take the strands and divide so that you have only one thread. Holding firmly, wrap all of your thread around 3 times. Hold on to the knot and pull it all the way until you get back to the end. When you release, you will have what's known as a quilter's knot. With your attached pancakes in hand, take your needle and insert from the back of the ivory pancake as close as you can to the edge of the tan top. Now you'll want to take your needle straight down and insert, piercing through both pieces of felt. On your next stitch, you will want to come up again near the edge of the tan top. Again, come straight down and insert, piercing through both pieces of felt. Repeat until you have completed the entire circle. Pro tip: use your finger as a guide for how far to come down each stitch. You'll notice that this is something I'm doing as well. If you get confused, put your needle down and watch as I do it. This is known as the applique stitch. And once you've mastered this, you're well on your way to becoming a pro felt food maker. To secure the thread on the back of your pancake, you will want to use your needle to pick up a small amount of felt. In one hand, hold the loop and insert your needle, wrapping the loop thread around 3 times. Pull the thread through and you will notice you have made a secure knot. Repeat steps 1 through 5 to complete the other side of your pancake. Now that you have completed both sides to your pancake, pin both sides together so that the tan felt is facing the outside on both sides. Using your ivory thread, remove and cut roughly half of the thread. Carefully divide the thread so that you have only 3 strands and create your quilter's knot at the end of the thread. To begin your blanket stitch, you will insert your needle through the edge of the second layer of ivory felt. Now combine your pancakes and go back through the entry point. Before securing, go back through the loop. This is the start of your blanket stitch. Your next stitch will go through both pieces again, and before securing, you will go back through the loop, this time giving your thread a light tug. Don't pull too hard. Feel free to put your needle down and watch as I do this. You'll want to begin stuffing your pancake once you have stitched about half of your pancake together. Secure with a pin so that you don't stitch anything lopsided. Pro tip: try to spread your stuffing out so that your pancake can maintain its shape. As you are getting to the last of your stitches, don't forget to add any final stuffing inside. Once you are making your final stitch, you will want to go back over 2 or 3 of the stitches you made in the beginning in order to secure everything. I promise this is helpful. On your last stitch, make your final loop, and before securing, hold onto the loop and wrap your needle 3 times, now going through the loop one final time to make a knot. Hold on to the knot to ensure that the knot is as close to the pancake as possible. Insert your needle right next to your knot and go through your pancake to lose the thread. Carefully cut and fluff your pancake to remove any trace of that loose thread. If you loved this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to see what you make next.